StreetKingz Promotions and Marketing. Welcome back to the StreetKingz Promotions YouTube channel. StreetKingz and SME, we're music industry service providers here in the Northeast Texas area. We're here to assist serious independent artists who want to set themselves up as a foundation artist, establish themselves as a serious independent artist. The biggest issue I see most artists facing right now is trying to navigate on these digital platforms, and they don't have the budgets to do so. My name is Devin Brown. I'm an online marketer. I'm also CEO of StreetKingz Promotions and Marketing. And over the last 14 years, like I always say, I've been embedded in how music business works. And we've been echoing that message to artists in Northeast Texas and artists outside our market to set yourself up as a foundation artist, build a catalog. You need a catalog of original music. I know I see a lot of artists doing the challenges, and they doing remixes and mixtapes and rapping on content that they do not own. You're in a different era of music, and once they figure that out, I think a lot more artists are gonna get off that, what I call the music treadmill, where you just running in place. Over the last 10 years, we've worked in several different genres, but I think the most success we've had so far is with Standard of Praise, a gospel group out of Marshall, Texas. We touch more markets, I think, than any other artist that we work with. But it all came down to the type of budget that they had to push the content. So we're going to continue to echo that message going into 2022. It's a digital explosion that's about to happen. You have to be prepared. You guys need to start to release your content, release your records, your new records properly on these platforms. So we're going to continue to echo that in the market and outside the market, man. Hey, rest in peace to Young Dolph, man. If y'all hadn't had an opportunity to go and follow his story, man, I've been following Young Dolph for a number of years before he became the artist that we know now. But follow us on Instagram, StreetKingz Promo 134, our YouTube channel, StreetKingz Promotions. Make sure y'all click that bell so you get updates when we release new content. StreetKingz.